We're gonna hit the shortcut we created. We're gonna take a photo. We're gonna hit use photo, and it's done, emailed off. If you're looking for the fastest way to capture any document or receipt on your iPhone and automatically email it, this is it. I've been using this free tool in my business for over the last 6 years, and it's been a game changer. Let's get into it. I showed you what it looked like to take the photo, but this is what it looks like when it gets emailed to you. It pulls all this information from the receipt image, and I can now search through any of this information as well as providing the picture here for me. And this is all customizable. This all works by using something that's built into your iPhone already. It's called a shortcut. The shortcut app has been in the iPhone since about 2018. All it does is it allows you to execute a bunch of functions with just hitting a few buttons. Before we get started to make the shortcut, I highly recommend that you make a brand new dedicated email. This email will just be used to receive the documents that you're forwarding from your phone, so they'll all be in one place. If you haven't checked it out, I made a whole video about how I use this shortcut as part of my receipt management and bookkeeping system for my business. It makes a lot more sense about why I'm recommending that dedicated email. So definitely check out that video. I'll throw the link in the description or somewhere. So let's actually get that shortcut that I made on your iPhone. The next part is important. So I'm going to share a link, and you want to open this link directly on your iPhone. The link will be in the description. So if you're watching this on the computer, either copy and paste that link and open it up on your iPhone, or just open this video up on your iPhone. So I have the link here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It will automatically load up the Shortcuts app. You can see it's loaded there, auto email doc. At the bottom, we're gonna hit add shortcut. And now this is the Shortcuts app, and you can see top left, it loaded it in there. So the next thing we have to do is specify what email we want it sent to. So I'm gonna hit these 3 white dots up here. So let me actually walk you through this real quick. It's going to take a photo. It's gonna use the back camera. It's gonna get that photo. It's going to extract all the text from that photo, and it's going to now send that photo to, and you can see recipients is blank. We're going to fill that in a second, as, and then everything listed after as is what's going to be in the subject. So my subject line is going to say iPhone doc. It's going to list the current date and time, and then it's also going to display the text from the image all in the subject line. And the reason I'm doing that is I want that all to be searchable. So first, let's go here and add a recipient. So I'm going to click here, and you can type in whatever email address you want. I'm going to type in the email that I created, which is my dedicated email for this. It's hussein2012rx@gmail.com. And I'm going to hit done, top right. So now it's going to email it there. If for some reason you really did want to change what the subject had or what it did, you could click on the stuff down here to change it, but I'm not going to. And I'm going to hit done. So let's do a quick test. And the first time you do a test, it will ask for some permissions. So I'm just going to click to run this shortcut, and it loads up the camera, which is great. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit use photo. And now it's gonna ask for permission. I always hit always allow, so it's not gonna pester me every time. One less button to click. All right, so if it didn't work for some reason, it would give you an error, but it worked. So we created the shortcut. The next thing we need to do is get easy access to it. So you can add it a couple places. You can add it from the lock screen so that you don't have to open your phone in order to use the shortcut, which is how I demoed it and how I like to do it. Or you can just add it as an app directly to your home screen. You just have to unlock your iPhone. So on the lock screen, we're gonna do a long hold. We're gonna hit customize at the bottom. We're gonna hit lock screen on the left. We're going to now have a couple different places where we can add it. So you can add it to this top bar here, or you can add it as a replacement to either the flashlight or the camera. I like both of those, so I'm actually just gonna add it to this top bar. So I'm just gonna click in here. I'm now gonna scroll down until I find shortcut. And now I'm gonna add shortcut, and I'm gonna tap it, and you can see it got added top right there. So now I'm gonna tap it one more time, and now it lets me add what particular shortcut I wanna do. So I'm gonna hit that one that says email doc. And then that's it. I'm gonna hit X out, hit done top right, saving. So now that is added there. If you wanted to add it to your home screen as a document, we'll go back into the shortcut app here. We're gonna go ahead and hit these white dots again to load up the shortcut. And then at the top, we're gonna hit this down arrow and we're gonna hit add to home screen. And then you can customize what color it is, what icon. I'm not gonna do it, I'm just gonna hit add. And now you can see that lower center here. Now I have this thing and I can access it from there. All right, so we got that set up. So now that you have all your things going to your email, if you're interested in how I actually organize this, I use Google Drive to organize this for my rental business. I have a video of how I do that, how I set up my file structure, and how everything sort of flows to be connected as part of my digital file management system. So check out that video next. I'll see you there.